Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily what sold video. As you can see on the screen, 8 orders, $92 on my main store. I sold 2 or 3 plain postcards. 2 plain cards. 2 airplane postcards for like 10 bucks, $9.98. So just squeaked over that $100 for the day. Go ahead and get into the individual cards. This is circa 1889 Arbuckle Brothers Coffee Trade Card Bolivia Map Parrot. Same buyer from the other day. Came back in and bought, I think, a total of 3 or 4 more, each for $11.24. I paid less than $1 for these at the DC Big Flea. Probably, I don't know, probably a year ago maybe. So if you see Arbuckle's trade cards, pick them up, especially if you can get them for under $1. Easy $10 bill profit. Here's the other one, or another one they bought, circa 1889. This is Belgium. I don't know what that is. That almost looks like a nuclear explosion. Oh, it's weird. Steel, maybe? Casting iron, if I could read. So there's that one, 1124, I think, and then also Paraguay, 1124. Can't read. Drying. Can't read the bottom there. They're drying something. Drying herba mate leaves. I've never heard of that. Again, 1124, I think they paid. This is China, Hong Kong, the Hong Kong Peak Tramway. I was on that. That was fun. Compliments to the U.S. Navy. I've been to Hong Kong 3 times, I think. Interesting city. $4 best offer. This is Washington, Pennsylvania. A 40,000 barrel burning oil tank, 1909. Horrible condition. But someone still paid $6.74 for that. That's pretty rough. Let me see if note damage left corner, and then I measured it. $6.74 for that card. So that same guy came back a day later and bought another trade card. There you see 1124. This is Uruguay. No, look at that. Is that the Teletubbies' son there? Don't ask me why I remember that. Let me see. Cincinnati, Ohio. Elsinore Tower, Eden Park. There's that one. 1909. $5.99 for that card. Artist sign, Catherine Gassaway, Boy Fireworks, Black Cat, Don't Go. That's an artist you need to keep an eye out for, Gassaway. Not huge money. I think they used to be much, much better selling price, but keep an eye out for Catherine Gassaway. I'm sure she has Halloween stuff and probably does a heck of a lot better than this one. But this one still brought in $10.99. Probably the Black Cat, and of course, like the 4th of July connotation there. This is South Lime Point, Connecticut. O Woods Beach, $6.99. And then we have the very last one of these large letter greetings from Boston, Massachusetts, $2.99. I probably had 20 of these maybe, but yep, all gone. Got those at the auction from last year. And that's it for what sold. But I had this. I know I'm on a little screen. I had this come back. I've never seen one of these envelopes come back as non-machinable and returned for additional postage. I've never seen that. And of course, so I went back through and I tried to, and I never put tape. Never ever put tape over the labels. Because the hot thermal printer, you put tape on it and it'll fade out. I don't know why it does that. So I didn't do that. The post office did that. And so anyway, yeah, this came back and I looked. I couldn't find it in my sold, and that's because I sent this out February 12th. So had no record, no way to get a hold of this buyer. But what I do, and I'm glad I've been doing this for quite a while now. Whenever I'm in eBay bulk shipping and I buy my labels, I always download and save my labels. So I have pretty much every label I've ever printed back to probably years when I was using LetterTrack. I have all those saved, and ever since eBay Standard Envelope became available for postcards, I save them. So I was able to go back to February 12th printing, and I just reprinted the eBay Standard Envelope label, and it's going back out again. I put a little note in there. This was returned. I still don't know why. I've never had one of these as non-machinable. It's not torn up. I mean, it's torn up because I did it, but it was in pretty good condition. So I don't know if it was the post office thinking that it was wrong. I don't know. But anyway, it wasn't thick. There was one single postcard in it. So anyway, that was interesting. Let me see what else is going on. We have a postcard show out in Aurora, Colorado this weekend. Denver postcard show. I'd love to go out there someday. I'll combine tornado chasing with postcard show, and I think that would be the ultimate vacation. And of course, can't not do a video without talking about WhatNot. Getting ready for Saturday's small lot Saturday. I'm going to do 25 cards. This is one box I've got pretty much ready to go. Probably going to have, I think I have 35 or 40. I think we'll get through that quick. So I'm going to have 50 lots ready to go. We're going to do it like speed style, 25 cards. Put a whole bunch of real photos in here. Other than that, I just went through some boxes and counted out 25 cards, and I put some other ones in there that people have requested. So come by Saturday, 7:30 Eastern, over on the WhatNots. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Remember, no shipping Monday. Enjoy your long holiday weekend, and hope to see you Saturday. Thanks for watching.